Hello, how are
Stop
you? Welcome to my channel. Today on this video I'm going to show you how to put the home button on the screen. You can do this tutorial if you are on iPhone X, iPhone 6, iPhone 5, whatever iPhone from iOS 6. Whatever iPhone is from iOS 6 to iOS 12.
Selected. Screen record mail. 28 on.
Okay, let's start with the video. Okay, first thing we have to do is go to settings.
Settings. One new item. Settings. Sir.
Then we have to set to accessibility. General.
David Espacio and iCloud Casilino. One update available. Air, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular, VPN, notification, sounds. Do not gen.
The home button is on the screen. You don't have to use the physical home button, but if you want, you can use on the home button on the screen or physical home button.
Select settings.
Okay, now we have to go to accessibility.
Accessibility. Select general accessibility vision voiceover on button.
We have to go to assistive touch.
Magnify display a comment speech larger bold tap button shape reduce increase reduce on inter reach double tap switch assistive touch off button select access assistive touch off. On.
Okay, here I go to turn on assistive touch. On the left corner of home button, the physical, they going to appear a menu.
Create new gesture. Assistive touch. Assistive touch menu.
Or on the right left corner of the home button.
Settings. Custom gestures. Assistive touch. Assistive touch menu.
Okay. Here say assistive touch menu. You can set gestures. You can set gestures.
Assistive setting. Customized. Custom actions. Single tap. Double tap. Single tap. Open menu. Double tap. None. Long press. None. 3D touch. Home.
Okay,
Button.
I'm going to set this to 3D touch.
Not open. Select notification. Select open menu. No Siri. Control lock screen. Volume up. Volume mute. Accessibility shortcut. Shake. App switcher.
Okay.
So
I'm going to change to app switcher. Look.
Access assistive touch menu. App switcher. Settings.
I don't use the home button. I use the
setting.
the
Settings.
is on the screen.
Single tap. Double long press. 3D touch. App switcher. Button.
Okay. I'm going to change to home.
Not open home. Assistive touch. Assistive.
Okay, they make to this suggestion to make the video.
Assistive touch menu.
Okay, I'm going to make again the gesture. 3D touch. Look.
Mail. 10 items found. Top search result. Page 2 of it. Settings.
And
One
now
new item.
I am the home screen. If you don't like it, you can disable.
Settings. For general. Vision. Heading. Increase.
Going to settings, general,
Gen.
accessibility, and assistive touch.
On. Int. Read. Double. Switch. Assistive touch. Select. Assistive touch. On.
I'm going to disable.
Off. Accessibility. General. Settings. 850. Air. Here. Select. Open control. Screen read.
Okay, that's all for this video. If you like it, please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions for videos, leave on the comments. And I see you on my next video. Bye bye. Talk soon.
Microphone. Stock microphone. On. Stop.